I have Atofi Wintake General. This have Craftex cover where I have glued this picture down, some lace, and here also, and this one is back. I have metal corners in there. Steam binding closure, and here we go. I have pocket in this first page. There is some pictures. There is some paper flowers and doily. I have sewed this paper in this cover. This is some kit. I will put long link below so you can go see. It's from Etsy. There I have some pin, and here pocket from book paper, and that one goes back, and there is other pocket in front. Some papers, and there also some are from Etsy and some are from Tsunami Rose. Little that place. This is from Pinterest, I think, and that one too. This is glued down. There is little pocket. Some little postcard picture that I have fussy cut. Some stamping from Etsy. Papers are again tea-dyed. I have made some big tags in here. And this is from Etsy. That is only decoration. Little pocket. There is also this big tag and some little pictures. Some from Etsy, and this is from some paper kit. And there's also, this is something that I have cut down from the paper kit. Middle of the signature I have put this little heart. There is pictures from Etsy, and here also some washi tape. There is pocket where is big tag and some little pictures. And that is only decoration. There is little envelope, and this is other side of that envelope, actually the flap of an envelope. Little pocket. There is side pocket. Tsunami Rose Emperor. Some leftover papers, and this one is also somewhere from Etsy. I will put link below. So are these papers. Tracing papers. These are put with paper clip, some pockets. Here is envelope. So, and there is this. And this is back side pocket there also some infra and other things. So that was that. Thanks for watching and see you again.